I'm Nirmala Thakur from EduExcel, and I'm once again back with another episode from the new education policy 2020. Today's topic is NEP 2020 and cultural festival integration in schools, celebrating diversity and learning together. NEP 2020 and cultural roots. NEP 2020 emphasizes value based education rooted in Indian culture, traditions, and heritage. It promotes experiential learning where festivals, pujas, and community celebrations can become part of integrated learning. Students learn not just about rituals but also the history, literature, arts, crafts, and science behind them. Role of pujas and festivals in schools under NEP 2020. Holistic development. Pujas and local festivals can be celebrated as opportunities to teach values like gratitude, cooperation, and respect for diversity. Multidisciplinary approach. Examples: during Durga Puja, students can learn about the mythology, literature, idol making, arts and crafts, eco friendly clay use, science and environment, and processions, social studies. Inclusivity. While pujas are religious, NEP recommends celebrating them in a cultural and educational sense rather than just ritualistic, so all children, irrespective of faith, feel included. Objectives. Why festivals matter in NEP 2020. Number one, for cultural integration. NEP 2020 emphasizes Indian traditions, arts, and culture as central to holistic education. Festivals provide a natural way to bring heritage into classrooms. Number two, experiential and joyful learning. Children learn best through activities, projects, and stories. Celebrations become a hands on platform for music, dance, food, crafts, and storytelling. Number three, values and social harmony. Festivals teach sharing, respect, gratitude, and inclusivity. Helps nurture the constitutional values of unity in diversity. Number four, multilingual and art integrated education. Festivals open opportunities to learn songs, stories, and sayings in different languages. Supports NEP's push for art integrated, local, and contextualized pedagogy. Number five, community and local knowledge. Local crafts, food, rituals, and indigenous practices can be integrated, brings parents, elders, and communities into the school, making education contextual and rooted. Number six, holistic development enhances emotional, social, moral, and cultural intelligence, not just academics. Festivals act as living classrooms, blending knowledge, skills, values, and creativity exactly as NEP 2020 envisions. Inclusivity guidelines. How to celebrate without religious bias. Celebrate cultural aspects, not religious rituals. Include all communities, festivals, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, tribals. Encourage student led presentations instead of teacher led lectures. Use rotational leadership. Each class house organizes one celebration. Expected outcomes. Holistic student growth. Stronger sense of identity and belonging among students. Reduction in cultural religious divides. Unity in diversity. Actually, it is very good for the development of 21st century skills in the children. The pedagogical approaches are project based, art integrated, multilingual, and values oriented. Project learning, students research and present about a festival. Arts integration, create crafts, music, dance, or drama linked to the festival. Multilingualism, Learn songs, stories, or sayings in different languages. Value education. It teaches compassion, unity, and eco sensitivity. Classroom integration. Morning assemblies themed around festivals in the form of art, dance, drama, storytelling activities, food and crafts exhibition, discussions on historical and ecological relevances. Also, you can have celebration of birthdays of great personalities where the focus is on the qualities of the great personalities. In the beginning of the academic year, if a festival calendar is prepared by a group of teachers in consultation with all the teachers, then it helps the school in prior planning and executing the activities in a very focused way. In the beginning of the academic year, the group of teachers can sit together and plan the whole activities for the whole year. So some examples I'm presenting here, but uh, depending on the local needs and the local population of the students and the parents community, the teachers can decide which activities to have and which not to have. So in the month of June, you can have Environment Day, which can be celebrated by talking about the water cycle, climate, and it can be integrated with science and the local tribal rain rituals also are there in the tribal areas. Then Eid al-Adha is also there where there could be a community meet and a lot of sharing happens. So members of each religious community can come and share how it is celebrated in the right spirit. In the month of July, we have Guru Purnima, which is celebrated by the Hindus, the Buddhists, and the Jains also. So, a teacher appreciation day can be celebrated, and the teachers do feel good when they are revered and spoken high about. In the month of August, we have Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, and Muharram. So, Independence Day mm, is a part of civics. So, freedom struggle can be enacted, it can be discussed, there could be debates, and a variety of activities. Then Raksha Bandhan, the importance of Raksha Bandhan, and in arts integration, we can have Rakhi making and singing of songs also. Then Janmashtami, in during Janmashtami, you can have Krishna role plays and songs, and Dahi Handi, etc., can be done in the school. Fancy dress competitions and for the early childhood is also a very attractive event. Muharram can be celebrated in school by creating an awareness on sacrifice and the value of forgiveness. In the month of September, generally we have Ganesh Chaturthi and Vishwakarma Puja. So in Ganesh Chaturthi, environmental science becomes very activities, eco-friendly idols. Then you can also teach math, symmetry in designs, and music and dance. So Ganesh Chaturthi also in instrumental music, dol tasha can be taught. Then symmetrical dancing and a lot of other activities can be included in celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. In the same month, on September 17th of September, Vishwakarma Puja is also held. So organize skill fairs and tool exhibitions, invite local artisans, engineers for talks, classroom projects like model making, wood, clay, and metal can be done, poster essay competition on role of skills in nation building. So Vishwakarma Puja pays a lot of importance on skilling. Then in during October you have Navratri and Durga Puja. So literature integration is mythological stories around both the festivals. Then art integration will be idol making, rangoli, and decoration of the homes, embroidery, stitching, and fancy dress competitions also makes the celebration bright. Then physical training, you can include teaching of Garba and Dandiya dance, uh, which becomes very, very lively and students enjoy a lot. In the month of November, we have Diwali plus Tribal Harvest Festival, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Guru Parv, and Children's Day celebration. So Diwali can have physics integration, light and energy. Then art integration can be lantern making, and values is when you share sweets and go to each other's house. So that makes Diwali very colorful and nice. And the tribal festival also is celebrated with decorations, and they have their own unique way of celebrating the festival. Then Guru Nanak Jayanti and Guru Parv, uh, the children could engage in kirtan and langar experience. Then Children's Day should be celebrated with a lot of student-led activities and not teacher-led activities, so that students' personalities come out in full-fledged way. In December, we have the Christmas festival. So, story of Christmas could form an important part in the languages. Then art integration, you have star making, then music, singing of carols, etc. Then in the month of January, we have Pongal, Makar Sankranti, Lori. So again, geography, science, maths comes in, music, dance. So about seasons, about food grains, then kite making, kite flying, everything comes here, and the students actually enjoy all the activities. February month brings Mahashivratri festival and Basant Panchami. So yoga, meditation sessions we can have, and Saraswati Puja can be celebrated, the goddess of learning. March is a month when we celebrate Holi, plus there is a local tribal spring festival. Eid a Milad is there, and Easter is also celebrated. So we see that most of the festivals, the Christians also have it, the Muslims also have it, the Hindus also have festivals. So when in a school all the celebrations happen, a lot of goodwill persists among the students. So here, chemistry, psychology, arts, drama, storytelling, and craft work all come and make the celebrations very, very enjoyable. In the month of April, we have again, there is Vishu Onam, then Ram Navami, Mahavir Jayanti, Baisakhi, and Good Friday. So, economics, arts, values, drama on Ramayana, talk on non-violence and simplicity. Baisakhi can be celebrated with Punjabi folk dance and food festival. Good Friday with reflection and peace prayer. And in the month of May, we have Buddha Purnima, where again, with the meditation and stories of Buddha, we can celebrate. As we wrap up today's episode, let's remember that diversity is not just about differences, it's about learning, sharing, and growing stronger together. When schools become spaces of respect and inclusion, every child learns the true meaning of equality and harmony. Let's carry this spirit forward not only in classrooms but in our everyday lives. Thank you for listening, and let's keep celebrating unity in diversity. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your suggestions will help me serve the community better.